for today is it's Rate Jane's new set of pajamas with my special guest today, her cousin, her favorite ate Angeline, Ate Jeje. Okay,
And
so
Gabby.
Ate Jeje, yeah, and we also have here our video bomber. Video bomber. Say hi to our vlog. Okay, so here, so we'll start with unpacking the pajama. So Ate Jeje will rate this in a scale of 10 if she likes it, or her opinion about it. Okay, so let's start with this.
Okay.
So in a scale of 10, how would you rate? What is your
Okay.
rating?
Oh, it's like the jeans pambahay na dress.
Ah.
Yeah, jean is tall na, that's why. Or
Show them the
it's cats and this one.
Yeah, it's a cat also. It's like a silhouette yung parang this one. No?
Thick polka dot.
Okay.
It kasi this is like bagay 9. Kasi Jane has a lot of cat themed clothes, but why 9? Kasi it's like Jane has a pambahay na damit that is like this color and I like it on top.
Yeah. And how well do you know Jane? If Jane will rate this, what do you think is the rating?
Feel like she would rate this 10 kasi she likes cats.
Yeah.
And she acts like cats.
Yeah. You know, candy press.
How is that?
Just press it. Okay, next.
Oh, it's yellow.
You know, I love these colors, diba? Kasi
Yeah.
it's my favorite.
No, but you like navy too.
Yeah.
Oh,
Alam yung navy blue.
oh, it's yellow. It's my favorite.
It's your favorite din ba? Like mine.
Yellow is my favorite, but all my things are pink. Oh, it's
How about
this.
it?
It's this fox. Ooh.
How about it?
Yeah. This one, feel ko 9. Kasi, medyo di mapapansin ni Jane yung design.
Yeah, kasi
Just
she
like-
likes that more.
Yeah, she likes that.
Okay. Yeah.
But I love the color, that's why it's 9. It's flowers!
Yung video bomber natin, nagkagat na ng
Ay.
plastic.
Baka may malunok siya.
Uy, may nakagat siyang plastic.
Sarap yan?
Okay.
Look, it's flowers.
Yeah. I like it.
Oh, what's this, rabbit? Oh, I like the design. This is a 10. Kasi I like,
10? So you like this more than this?
yeah. I'm judging it on the design and the
Yeah, I
color.
like it.
This is 10. Kasi I like the way that they do the rabbit.
It's like a painting.
Yeah.
So it's 10. So as of this
This is the
time, this is
highest.
the highest. Okay.
About
Let's see if
This
there's
Jake also
something
have
here
pajama.
that will beat your rating from.
I know she has like a pajama that is this color. Is it the rabbit one?
Bilangin mo nga kung dresser.
And
No, please press it. Please. I love this one. I like the color scheme. Look. And it's like,
Tingnan mo baka may
Oh.
maliit siya na suko.
so like you don't have to. This is 10. Kasi I like the design and the color.
yeah,
Yeah.
I also love that one. So what is your rating?
10.
It's
10. I love it. I love the design
The
and
color.
the colors.
Kay Gucci.
Pink!
Diba kay Gucci? Kay Gucci.
Hungry na ikaw? Ha?
Chicken na ate.
Ka na ng chicken?
Parang muna si ate.
Si your ate will get that if she wakes up. Ooh! Oh, it's so cute!
Yeah.
Jean, I like the design already.
Is it bunny?
Yeah.
I like it.
Oh, it's...
I was the one who
Yeah.
chose all of it.
Yeah, Ninong,
No.
mga below 6 pag si Ninong ang
Yeah,
napili.
Ninong chose. Ay, parang may napili dito si Ninong.
Na nagustuhan mo?
Yung una, I don't like the colors kasi. Ayoko nang masyadong na yung super green, super blue, like that. I like the
Pangkoy
it's like
kasi yung mga
pastel.
pinipili ni Ninong. This is 10 kasi I like the design.
Oh, so like the one, the
Yeah.
flower.
I like yung ganitong design.
This one, the peach one, is it the peach? Yan. It's, or the, it's 10 also,
I
right?
like it. Yeah. Dito yung mga
Sige, yan yung
10.
iuna natin ipasulat.
I like the rabbit
like it
design.
too?
Yeah.
Ako pumili. Okay.
Panghuli na natin ang design, yung mga pinili. Oh, it's orange. Is this Ninong? Ninong? It's so boyish kasi! It's so boyish! Because this Ninong. This is so Gabi.
Pero the
Pero
ano
it's
kasi it's
cute.
cheap.
Yeah. But it's
Cute,
still
but
cute.
the color lang.
It's
Siguro
Gabi
din
color.
just like to, I just want to try a new set of colors for Jean.
Yeah. Should give Jean boyish colors kasi yung
Yeah.
kulit niya pang lalaki.
So, how will you rate it?
This looks pink on the camera,
Yeah.
but 8.
Okay. So,
Kasi-
so far it's the lowest.
Yeah. Kasi Jean doesn't normally wear this color, so I don't like see her wearing it. But I will eventually see her wearing this kind of color. And ang panggabi yung gantong design. Sobrang panggabi.
Pa, 5,000. Bagong mga pantulog ni Jean.
Is this Nongnong?
Yeah,
Kasi
open
it's
it.
lion. This is for Gabi.
Pwede na lahat sa anak mo. Dahil sa inyo, dati wala naman.
Hindi. Ang motto kasi nila, we will give the life our kids that we never. We will give the life. Basta yun.
Hindi yung
Oh, it's
kutsilyo.
long.
Kuha
Yan.
na.
Okay.
This is long sleeve.
Yeah, long sleeve. Kasi di ba may mga long sleeve siya?
Yeah.
Gusto pang palitan yung...
This is so nong-nong. Nong-nong, diba?
Yeah, siya
Diba?
Sino nang pumili niya?
9.
Nang magbabayad na kami, nadaanan mo yan. Kaya, but it's nice.
Yeah, 9.
Kasi, you like
Kasi-
the, parang it's light, no? Light color.
Yeah.
It's parang
And it's
maganda
like
sa
a
eyes.
yellow shade.
Yeah. Ay, oo, yeah. Kasi yellow is your favorite.
Pero, and,
So,
But-
may maganda palang napili sila.
yeah, 9. Kasi, Jane has these types of designs then.
Kasi, yeah, sabi niya lion, but it's yellow naman. It can also be
But,
winter.
I don't think na bagay kay Jane yung mga long
Maybe
sleeve. Kasi,
after.
kung kailan siya nakapajama na doon na siya yung kumakain.
Maybe after.
True.
Maybe after yan, tapos na yung magkapasok. Tapos isang video na ito.
Oh, no.
Ganda, no? Like it.
It's so boyish kasi that's why napapansin ko. Oh, no. Oh, I think Jean will like this.
Yeah, because there's a...
Because there's the bear. That's the only thing.
Yes, baby.
It's white.
Parang it's like parang snow. Parang ganun.
Yeah, it's white. So, 9 or 8.
So, it's 9.
9 or 8. Mm, 8. Kasi madilim. And it's kind of boyish.
I chose this dress.
This is
not a...
8?
Ah, yeah, 8.
Okay, okay.
So yung mga pinili mo.
No, this pinili to nila.
Ah, yeah, but it's 9. Okay. This is a dress. I chose it.
This is
A dress, not a pajama.
like pang-alas or
Yeah.
pambahay.
Pasimple.
Yung ba jean dress na pambahay kasi hindi pwede sa kanya. Oh, wow! That's so cute.
It's yellow.
Yeah.
You know, I love yellow.
Oh, it's so long.
Mm.
But, yung ko kasi na lang. Oh, it's like,
It's the bubble.
yeah, it's about this. This is 10. Kasi there's ribbon. And it's cute.
It's
It's 10.
she's gonna wear it by next Sunday.
Wait.
And I bought one set of pambahay na sa kanya. Kasi yung mga pambahay niyang turn niya, di ba sobrang sikip?
Yeah, I'm super
So,
ano.
yung chan niya.
Grabe ka naman kapiliti, no?
Yan. Pinapakain ko. Ano yan? Ano yan?
Ang sura yung duyan mo.
Mm.
Oh, wow!
Kasi sobrang ano naman mga...
Yellow.
I think it's 11 over 10. For me, it's 11 over 10. It's more than the...
This is 10. Kasi
More
it's
than
yellow.
this. Yeah.
The other design.
And there's pink on
And
it.
there's pink. Your favorite too.
This
Yes.
one, I think also, no. This is 9 kasi I see Jane wearing a lot of
Pink.
pink. Yeah. That's why
But this
she's
is
so
the first time
Wow.
na she's gonna wear
white.
Oh,
So this is 10 kasi I like the
Yeah.
gantong design.
Yeah.
And I'm so excited to see Jane wear this. Kasi onti lang din yung mga dress niya na ay pambahay na white kasi
Yeah.
pinatungan.
Yeah.
I'm
So that's all for Ate Jeje's rating for Jane's new set of pajamas and dresses and pambahay. Thank you for guesting to our mini vlog today and also to our video bomber.
Oh, no, medyo bummer daw siya.
Okay.